Today we're going to put together a kids travel boredom box. We didn't get to bring a whole lot on our trips when we went in the car. I remember our parents drove us down to Florida from Pennsylvania. I was probably about 8, I think. I only remember having a pillow with me in the car. So I remember being very, very bored. I'm sure we were whining and stuff, but those were not the days of gentle parenting. We couldn't whine too much or Dad would yell. We would just be quiet and look out the window. And that was our that was our travel time in the car. 4 of us, plus my parents. Anywho, there's so many resources for parents today to help keep their kids busy when they're traveling. But I still love the idea of having like a travel kit or a boredom box. It's kind of an old-fashioned idea, I guess. It's almost like a treasure box. So we're going to be using a cigar box and we're going to fill it with activities. And this is something you could keep in your car, keep under the seat, keep in the trunk. And if you ever get stuck with a kid in a restaurant or traveling and you haven't brought the toys, you haven't brought the iPad, you haven't brought all the things, and where you just need something different to distract or amuse the kids, this is the perfect thing to have. And we're going to use, it's making noise. We're going to use the Decoupage map box that I made, and I'll link the video here. It's filled with all kinds of fun stuff. This looks really fun. Like, I picked all things that I like. Anyhow, I'm going to show you how to put this together. Let's get started. These are some items that I gathered from the thrift shop, the dollar store, and the craft store. We've got some puzzles, some pipe cleaners, a little container of bubbles, more puzzles, couple notebooks, a little activity book, a little pack of playing cards, some candy cigarettes, some more candy, a travel puzzle, finger trap, some pencils, a fake ring, a little container with crayons in it, another activity pad, some tattoos. You could also add some money in here or some other little odds and ends. We're just going to pack the box up now. Map box. I'm going to put in the tattoos first. Put our play pad in. We're going to really fit everything in here, so. A little puzzle. There we go. Easy as pie. Stash that in your car and you're good to go. Now we have a compact little travel kit, boredom box for kids or adults. Stash it in your car and have it ready for when the boredom strikes. Let me know in the comments your best memory of a road trip you took as a kid. I'd love to hear your story. It's funny, the stuff that you remember when you're traveling with your family. Those trips always stand out because they're different than the everyday life, right? You're spending time with family, you're cooped up in a car, maybe people are fighting, arguing. I do remember getting to Florida and we had to eat all the ice cream we had bought at the store because the key broke in the lock and we had to wait for the realtor. So that was a bonus. Anywho, thanks for joining me today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. We have to wait for the siren to go. There it goes.